welcome back to Pure on the Road. I'm Sam Maracini here at VMworld Explore 2022, exploring all kinds of solutions with Jase McCarty. What is up, dude?
Hey man, good to see you again. It's been a while
since our little pub crawl,
our little pub crawl,
show,
that's
which
right,
all of our partners had been on. That was fun as could be. You're in this booth later.
I'm in the booth in just a minute, actually, yeah.
Which is why we got to get through this. But
that's
what
right.
are you talking about in the booth? More than one presentation. Dude, you're part of this VMware solutions team we have.
Yeah, so we're actually talking in the booth here in just a minute. I'm talking about two different things. I've got two sessions. The first one is on how to turbocharge your VCF environment. And really kind of where that is a lot of customers have decided to move to an enterprise type of deployment model and lifecycle management from VMware, you know, that it really gives them that cloud type experience, but on premises. Pure could actually help customers using their existing fabrics move to that very, very quickly. Okay, so that's the first talk we're having.
Okay.
The second talk we're going to have is going to be an Oracle and VMware vVols talk. Now in that particular talk, we've got some folks from Broadcom and from VMware that are coming over, and they're going to talk about how to use Oracle with vVols, where Pure is number one when it comes to number one with vVols. And they're going to come talk. Now, if you want to find more information about all of this, whether it be Oracle and VMware and vVols, or you want to learn more about VCF, Cloud Foundation, and VMware with Pure, go to purestorage.com/VMware. You'll find everything you need. I'm Jase McCarty.
You're going to get all those good things.
That's right.
For sure. So let me ask you this, because in addition to presenting in the theater there, you're also working some of the demo stations, which are really cool.
Yeah.
Customers coming up asking questions. What's sort of the biggest question you get?
Oh, man. So one of the biggest questions we get is what does Pure do different? Right? What does Pure do different when it comes to my VMware infrastructure?
Right.
And the biggest thing to keep in mind is our integration, our levels of integration, whether it be Portworx with their Tanzu Kubernetes platform, or our native, or our plugin capability and native multipathing, our snapshots, our replication, how we tie in with SRM. In fact, right now we've got a session going on talking about ActiveDR along with vSphere to really give you that, whether it be cross-metro or cross-data center level of availability, active protection for your workloads. Active
with vVols. Cody's talked about that before. Wonderful stuff. And all that happened here in the booth. We're doing some Pure tasting a little later too.
Yeah. So that's here in a couple hours. We got a bourbon tasting as part of the pub crawl, right? So if you're around, you need to come.
You know, I love the connection you just made there. So thank you guys very much. Thanks for taking some time, because I know you are presenting, then back-to-back meetings. So what I said was, let's do it right now. And you did. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we will see you next time. Pure on the Road.